Hello everyone. Today the content of class 10th biology for CG and CBSE is as experiments on photosynthesis. First of all, we will discuss what are the essential features for photosynthesis. Factors for photosynthesis. So four important factors are there which we have already discussed in detail in our previous video, that is sunlight, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide. Out of these two, water is absorbed by the roots and chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast of the leaves cells. Okay, cells of the leaves. Other than that, carbon dioxide is absorbed by the stomata and sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll from the atmosphere, from the sun's radiation. Okay, so let's see how these two important factors, that is sunlight and carbon dioxide, are essential for photosynthesis. First of all, let's see an experiment to demonstrate that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. We see a picture of a potted plant in which one of the leaf of the plant is put into a glass jar in which there is some chemical is kept. And finally, we see the test for the stars as positive or negative. So let's go through the experiment, what we have to do within this. First of all, we take the potted plant and keep it in a dark room so as to free the plant from whatever the starch material is already present in it. That is, whatever the starch was prepared by the plant previously will all be utilized by the plant and the plant will be starch free. This is only possible when we do not provide food to the plant material, that is, do not provide sunlight to the plant material. Okay, anyway, we will discuss about this in the next video, in the next content of this particular video. So after keeping the plant in dark room, when we bring it out and keep one of its leaf in a jar in which caustic potash is present. What is this caustic potash? This caustic potash is KOH, that is potassium hydroxide. This potassium hydroxide has the ability to absorb whatever the carbon dioxide is present in the environment of it. Okay, hence the leaf which is put into this jar will not get the carbon dioxide, as the carbon dioxide is cut off. When we take this leaf out and test it for the starch, that is, we provide it with a uh, iodine solution. Okay, we provide it with the iodine solution. The part of the leaf which got carbon dioxide, which was outside the jar, it has synthesized food material, that is glucose or starch, and it gave the test for the starch, a positive test of starch in which the leaf turned blue black. Another part is the part which was present inside the jar. That part did not give the starch test, as a result of which it did not turn blue black. Conclusion, that carbon dioxide is very much essential for production of starch. Let's move to the second factor to demonstrate that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. So how are we going to do this? First of all, see the diagram. We take a potted plant, we keep it in a dark room for some time, and then we bring it out and take one of its leaf and cover that leaf with a black strip of paper. The plant is left for doing the process of photosynthesis for some time, and then after that process is over, the leaf which was the part of the plant is taken. First of all, you need to see that the leaf is boiled in water, then it is boiled in alcohol, and as a result of it, all of its chlorophyll material is removed. Now to this chlorophyll free leaf we put the iodine solution, as a result of which what will happen, the area which was covered with the black paper did not perform photosynthesis, as a result of which it remained in the color of white color, that is chlorophyll free region. However, the region which performed photosynthesis gave the starch test, that is it turned blue black on addition of iodine solution to it. This proves that sunlight is as well important for photosynthesis as carbon dioxide is important. With this, we end up with the topic of this video. Hope you all understood that things. Few questions are given here which the students need to answer. First is explain why is sunlight essential for photosynthesis. You have to write it in an experimental method. Another is explain why carbon dioxide is important for photosynthesis. That's all as the content of this video. Thank you.